So I wasn't going to do a video of this because I just wanted to see what was inside this Emerson Smart Set. It's the older model that doesn't have Bluetooth. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because as I opened it, that's the power wire. It was on that stock right there. And there was like nothing left to that wire, yet the clock still worked. Like it still got power. So I'm glad I took it. I opened it up and looked inside because that is not good. There's like almost no wire left. That is flat. So if that came from the manufacturer like that, that is really not cool. Yeah, there's nothing left to that. And yet it still worked. Because I can literally plug it in and it will still work. Oh, looks like I gotta... dang it, I can't reach my power strip. Then again, I don't want any of the components to touch anything. Yeah, that should be fine. See? Still powers. Oh, that's funny. The camera is making the lights on the numerals weird. It's not even doing that in real time. That's so funny. Anyway, yeah, it still powers, even with that broken wire. There, I unplugged it. That's pretty bad that it comes from the manufacturer like that.